This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your laggy or slow Android phone. So using RAM boost, RAM expansion, or something like that, you can increase the amount of RAM on your phone, which will allow you to have multiple different apps and things going on at the same time. If you can get to about 8 gigabytes of RAM, you'll notice that your phone doesn't hang up or lag in any area. So if we go to search right now, just type in RAM, and you can possibly find an option for RAM Plus on your Samsung phone, or RAM Boost on your Motorola, or RAM Expansion or something like that on your other Android phone. So we can just go to this now. You can see I have the option under here. It might not be exactly that depending on your model, but most phones have this option now. We can go down to RAM Plus now, and I can increase it from 2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes. And although, this doesn't make huge difference, going from 2 to 4 gigabytes will allow me to have much more applications open. So you can see I have 2.7 out of 4 gigabytes used right now. Now on my Motorola phone here, I can swipe on down. Now this doesn't show up when I go to search for some reason. There's nothing that shows up. I got RAM size, but what I can just do is go on down to system, and then I can look in here and I have performance. Under here I have RAM boost, and you can see on this Motorola phone from 2023 I was able to go from 6 gigabytes to 12 gigabytes total. So I have 6 already on my phone, then I went to 6 on here. And this phone is buttery smooth, like it doesn't hang up or lag in any area once you turn this on. So I go to the switcher, you can just see how quick everything is. On this phone the switcher might not be nearly as quick. It just takes a little bit of a few seconds to get there. So I got 12 gigabytes total. On this phone I only have 4 gigabytes. And it makes a big difference when just going to all these different applications and just opening things up. So just go ahead and just try this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.